Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Linda with LGQUEEN Home Decor. Today we're giving this living room a whole new look with some exciting new updates. If you have been following along, you may remember that we installed marble stacked stone on this shorter wall to create a beautiful accent feature. Today we're taking things even further with some dramatic upgrades, including ceiling beams, new technology, and carefully chosen decor that will give this space an entirely fresh look and feel. Whether you're moving into a new home or looking to refresh a living room you've enjoyed for years, my goal is to inspire you with ideas to help make your home even more inviting, relaxing, and enjoyable for both everyday living and entertaining. As a thank you for being here and supporting my channel, I'll be giving away $100 to one winner to help start your next project. To enter this giveaway, make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with a friend who could use some home decor inspiration. A big thank you to Hisense for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get started and transform this space. To start off installing the ceiling beams, we made our measurements and marked them with chalk lines. Since the beams won't run and screw directly into the ceiling studs, we're making rails for the faux ceiling beams to attach to. These custom studs will be attached to the ceiling with sheetrock toggle bolts. The inside of the ceiling beam is a U-shape, and the rails being placed on the ceiling are spaced out just enough for the beam to slide onto. My husband is cutting the rails to the precise measurements and securing them all to the ceiling in preparation for the beams. As the project came together, I wanted to add something that would transform not just how the room looked, but how it felt to be in it. I'm talking about something far more immersive and dynamic, and I can't wait to show you how you can bring the same experience into your own space. Today's video sponsor is Hisense, and this is the XR10, the newest and most premium flagship projector that you can find. I'd been upgrading my TVs for years, and at some point I started wondering what would it be like to try something different. That's what made me curious about the XR10. What I quickly realized is that it isn't about replacing a TV, it's about unlocking a whole new level of entertainment. In my living room, it's transformed movie nights into a true cinematic experience while also offering the flexibility to create incredible viewing experiences for church gatherings, school events, sporting events, and even outdoor occasions. Let me show you why. Straight out of the box, it comes inside its own beautiful genuine leather case. I find it perfect for when you need to store it, travel, or safely transport it to your own special event. Opening up the case inside, you will find everything you need for your very own cinema setup. The XR10 was purposely styled to look like a vintage luxury camera, and the same goes with this case. Most projectors are eyesores of gray and black boxes of plastic that you try to hide. Hisense wanted the XR10 to look like a statement piece of mid-century modern decor that sits elegantly on a coffee table or shelf, and I believe it does that perfectly. On the back here, you have every port you could ask for, including multiple HDMI inputs such as for using streaming devices, USB for media playback and powering accessories, Ethernet connections, and full audio pass-through support. I find this isn't just a projector upgrade, but a full-scale transformation of what a living room can be. It all starts with power. The XR10 features 6,000 ANSI lumens, and putting that into words, that means it's extremely bright. This isn't a dark room only setup. This is a real world, all day leave the curtains open kind of brightness. Movies, sports, YouTube, everything stays punchy, vivid, and alive no matter the lighting. Here's a look at the projection during the daytime, and here's how it looks at night. The image remains bright throughout it all. And then it gets even more impressive because now we're talking about its flexibility. With 4K lossless optical zoom, you can scale the image up or down without losing a single bit of detail. No blur, no stretching, no compromise, just pure 4K clarity at whatever size you want. Right alongside that is 4K lossless lens shift, which completely changes installation. You don't have to fight placement or rebuild your room around it. You just position it and lock in the perfect image. Now inside all of that is something really important for image quality, and that's the lens system. The XR10 uses a 17-element precision lens system, which basically means it's made up of multiple high-precision glass elements working together to keep everything sharp. And the result is simple. Even when you blow the image up to massive sizes, it still stays clean edge to edge. No softness, no weird distortion, just consistent 4K clarity across the whole screen. I really enjoy the cinematic feeling this gives, as the XR10 also uses an advanced iris system that pushes viewing contrasts up to a 60,000 to 1. And the difference is instant. This means that blacks go deeper, highlights hit harder, and the entire image gains that layered three-dimensional look that makes everything feel more real. Now this is where the XR10 further stretches into its own league. You can project up to 300 inches of image, 300 inches of pure immersion. Your wall stops being a wall and turns into a full cinematic canvas. Movies feel bigger, sports feel louder, even YouTube content feels like it shouldn't look this good at this size. I've got it displayed here on a 100-inch projector projector screen, and here on the wall is around 150 inches. You can go bigger at 180 inch, 200 inch, or 300 inch and project these sizes perfectly indoor or outdoor. This means maximizing its scale potential on large open walls or outdoor trips on portable screens. Now, it doesn't stop at visuals because the sound is just as good. It's tuned with DeViolet, and as a DeViolet Opera de Paris speaker, the audio feels rich, clean, and powerful. Dialogue cuts through perfectly while the room fills with depth and presence that actually matches the scale of the picture. One of the best parts for simplicity is that you barely have to do anything. With Automagic AI Adjusting 3.0, the XR10 automatically handles focus, keystone correction, and optimization in real time. I'm sure you've heard at least once a computer fan running at some point to keep the device cool, and it's quite noticeable. Projectors do the same thing, but the XR10 features the industry-leading liquid cooling innovation inside. This keeps everything stable and quiet even during long sessions. No loud fans, no overheating, no distractions, just smooth performance, which is very nice for such a powerful machine. And to top it all off, this XR10 isn't just powerful, it's been recognized as a SES Innovation Honoree, meaning it's being officially awarded for its design and engineering on one of the biggest tech stages in the world. When you put it all together of what it can do and is doing, there isn't just a better way to watch content and transform a space. This has been a completely different level of cinematic experience for my family and friends, and can be the same for you as well. It delivers on what it was made to do and blends in perfect with my living room setup. If you would like to learn more about what I've shown today with the XR10 and its amazing capabilities, I can't recommend it enough. It's a piece that will last for years and years to come. I'll leave the link for easy access in my description box for everyone to have below. Thank you to Hisense for providing such an innovative way to experience entertainment in the most premium cinematic way possible. Now let's get back to this makeover. We chose a warm caramel color for the beams, and since the distance of the wall to the other wall is around 14 foot, my husband is going to cut these 16-foot ones down to size. They look just like real wood and only weigh a few pounds. Once it's fitted to the ceiling, we used finishing nails every 12 to 14 inches on each side wall to wall to secure them to the rails. We're now going to repeat the process and install the second beam. I want to thank everyone who took the time to watch my video and made it here to the end. I hope you were inspired with ideas and inspiration for your very own living room or unique space. With our new ceiling beams installed, new tech and decor updates, it really felt like coming into a completely different space, and we felt it helped to give the area a custom look. I'd like to hear what was your favorite part of today's video by leaving a comment below. To bring the ultimate experience to your unique space or entertainment needs, don't forget to check out the link below for the Hisense XR10 projector that projects up to 300 inches. Until my next video, I hope everyone has an amazing day. Take care.